Are you looking for the best free method to get traffic to your website? Then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get traffic to your website for free. Actually, in this video I'm going to share with you an website from which you can get traffic to your website by just investing some time. Also, you can purchase cheap traffic from this platform. So let's jump to my laptop screen and show you how you can do this. The website using which we are going to get traffic to our website is adbtc.top. Okay, if you don't know about adbtc.top, this is an Bitcoin advertising website on which you can earn Bitcoin Satoshi by watching ad. Also, you can promote your website or any your referral link or affiliate link to get traffic to your link or to get traffic to your website. So as our main purpose of making this video is to show you how you can get traffic to your website using adbtc.top. So I am going to straightforward to show you the method to get traffic to your website for free. Okay, first of all we have to log into adbtc.top. And this is the dashboard of adbtc.top, and here you see I have 3591 satoshis. So if you want to get traffic for free from this website, at first you have to earn Bitcoin satoshis. Okay, how to earn Bitcoin satoshis from adbtc.top? You have to click on earn section, and here you see these are the options available for you to earn Bitcoin satoshis from this website. I have a different video about adbtc.top on which I have showed details how you can join to adbtc.top and how you can earn Bitcoin satoshis from this website, and every necessary thing you need to know about adbtc.top. So I will put this video link in the description. You can check this video to know how you can earn Bitcoin satoshis from this website. When you earn Bitcoin satoshis and accumulate some satoshis, then you can convert your earning balance to your advertising balance to promote your website or referral link. So to convert our earning balance to advertising balance, we have to click on the plus icon, means deposits icon. Okay, then here you see there is a plenty of option to deposit for advertising on adbtc.top. So let's say we are going to move from our main balance. So sometime when you log into this website from a new browser, you have to validate your account. Okay, after validating, now you have to select which account balance you are going to transfer to your advertising balance. Here you see we are going to transfer satoshis, and let's say we are going to put the amount of satoshis we are going to transfer, and let's say we are going to transfer 3000 satoshis, and then click on move. And here you see our main account balance is transferred to our advertising balance. Now our advertising balance is 3000 satoshis. We are going to use these satoshis to promote our website link or to get traffic to our website for free. So let's click on, sorry, not this, let's click on advertise section, and here you see there is a plenty of options for advertising, but we are going to use surface section to promote our website or referral link. Then you have to click on let's create one. Then here you have to put your desired website link or the link you are going to promote. So I have already copied the link that I am going to promote through this website, and then you have to put some description. So let's say we are going to write about our content, and that is the best micro freelancing site to get paid to do simple task. Okay, done. Now here you see the base price satoshis per view is 4. So for every view you have to pay 4 satoshis, but you can minimize it. Here you see if we click on this section, oh no, we can't minimize it. The minimum value for advertising is 4 satoshis per views. Then you can select the duration. Let's say we are going to promote for 15 seconds, and then you have to select the device, and we are going to promote this in only on desktop. if you wish to promote on mobile and desktop both, you can do this too. So let's say we are going to put it as on mobile and desktop both. Here is geo-targeting. The main advantage of this website is there is no extra cost for geo-targeting. You can select the country where you want to promote your link. So let's say we are going to promote on USA, then we are going to promote on America, then we are going to promote in Australia, let's say on Italy, Poland, France. That's it. So after then you have to cross check everything is alright or not. Then you have to click on start campaign. Here you see 5 satoshis per view. Okay, then let's click on start campaign. So your link has been added to adbtc.talk and they will check that your URL is valid or not, and then when they approve your URL, you can get traffic to your website for this cost of satoshis. So let's check our URL, and here you see this is our link we are going to promote. And I will put the website link in the description, so don't forget to check this website and join this website and earn as much satoshis as you want and promote your website or affiliate or referral link. Also you can earn Bitcoin satoshis from this website, because this is a really high paying Bitcoin advertising website from which you can earn satoshis. Also you can get traffic to your website for free. So that's it for today. Thank you.